So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with a new video on how to add non-Steam games on your Steam application so that you can access your game from Steam. And some games may not support controller, so with the help of this method you will be able to use your controller and play your game. So without any further delay, let's begin. At first go to your Steam and you will see the games in the upper section, and click on add a non-Steam games. And in this section you will see your install application. So search your game. For instance, I'm choosing game loop for now and add select. This is some pretty basic step. Just click on play. And the controller or the Steam setup will be applied to this game. So for example, if I want to play PUBG Mobile with controller, then I can use this step. So yeah guys, I hope you guys like the video. If you guys like the video, then like, subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching guys.